Right, you know where we are. Yes. Look, we're back, projects with Kev, and all we're doing here is, because we've done the previous two dyno runs here with Kev, with its standard 112 I think, air filter 115, and then we're just going to do it with the whole exhaust system on and the Atom on back on this dyno. We've obviously had it dynoed at Austin Racing, but we're just going to come back to here just because we've been using this one, so we might as well stick to the same one. Different day, different air temperature conditions, probably different fuel, I can't remember, but fuck it, why not, innit? Kev's here, so use a bit of his time, get the bike on the dyno and just get some more information out there, see what happens. Right, let's just see what happens. Just get it on, do a run, got the old graphs. Actually got the slipper in as well, so see what happens.
More with the baffle.
Yeah, so that's the baffle in, that's the baffle out. I mean, 1 horsepower. It is proper warm in here though, I will say that.
Does it make a difference to the fueling though?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, with the blue line is...
Blue line's baffle in.
Oh, so you can see, this is where you said it's richer,
Yes,
isn't it? Yeah,
richer.
that's richer, isn't it, with the baffle out?
And slightly richer at the top with the baffle out. And it makes 1 horsepower less on both of them.
Yeah. I prefer it with the baffle in, to be fair. It just...
It's not killing it.
No, yeah, that's probably the one advantage, isn't it? The baffle's not killing it. It's actually still getting horsepower. But we've made more. The full system has made more than on this dyno. It was 115, now we're at 117, so progress. We are getting on and on. Right, there you go, a complete before and after. The blue is stock, red is exhaust,
full system and an air filter.
Everything, and the
5 horse.
5 horsepower.
Within 0.2 of an horsepower.
Torque ain't gone up that much, has it? But still, it's alright. Couple Newton meters or
2.5 foot-pound.
It's alright. Good information out there. Makes a difference. There we have it. Kev was saying.
Yeah. 500 quid for
Yeah.
one brake.
It's alright. Hey, I tell you what, the only bonus is the exhaust is looking lovely and blue now. The titanium's looking sick. Bit of extra heat through it. But yeah, we're sort of saying, I wonder if like these manufacturers are now, because the ECUs are all locked, whether they're tricking us.
It's got an extra silence, right?
Yeah, that's for the noise, because I want to do track days.
Yeah.
They have got a full system that's just the pipe.
Yeah.
But it's too loud. Way too loud. And that's...
There's no silence in the short cans, isn't there?
Yeah.
The longer the can, the more silence.
Yeah, so I don't know. Maybe the manufacturers are forcing us to go down these routes by getting the Ducati exhaust and the Ducati maps because the ECUs are locked out. But it's going to be a while. I think anything gets out of map for this. So this is your best options, mate. If you want some more power, this is how you unlock it. The domestic going on in the corner. But yeah, for all your motorcycle needs, make sure you see all projects, Kev. I'll put a link in the description. But yeah, man, that's another video done. Bike is looking sick.